This story started about 3 years ago when Multnomah County invested in buying this old Rite Aid building. Since then, it has had many different faces. It's acted as a severe weather shelter. It has been a COVID vaccine spot. And now finally today, we get to celebrate a year and a half long of planning.
You have set an example for what it looks like to really come together, even when it's been hard. And I know that it's been hard.
I just view excitement. It's something where we're really embedded into the neighborhood. And so leaning into those relationships with our neighbors and how this will look as like a hybrid of being a part of the community, not something that's just us versus them, but really everyone coming together to serve our most vulnerable neighbors. I think it's gonna be a very powerful story when it's all said and done. From the beginning, there's been just intentionality for every step of the way in the design process with participants in mind.
I think that Arbor Lodge really is a promise to our most vulnerable community members to support them regardless of the moment and some of their worst times.
I think this is really sort of a milestone for us at the county. I hope a milestone for the neighborhood, and I'm sure a milestone for our unhoused neighbors. So thank you all so much for being here.